on July the 2 down to Assateague, long overdue. Thought I'd kick back, sip something cold, but the fridge had died, man, it's getting old. 3 days later, still no ice. Learned real quick, tenants ain't that nice. If your fridge don't chill and your lights don't glow, your 5-star rating's gonna sink real low. You gotta sleep in the house before you rent it out. You find things busted, you'll scream, you'll shout. The toilet leaks, the door won't lock, the neighbor's rooster won't stop his squawk. Don't trust the spreadsheet, go walk the floor. If the AC's dead, you're gonna sweat more. So grab a wrench and poke about. You gotta sleep in the house before you rent it out. Cleaned the shed, threw out 10 raccoons. Found a lawn chair last seen in Jaws 2. Meanwhile, back at Royal Palm Beach, I haven't been there, don't ask, it's out of reach. And the RV on Laura's Loxahatchee land, the awnings fixed took 6 strong hands. Cape Coral's kitchen is under siege. Marie's going down to unpack the page. You gotta live in the house before you rent it out, to find what the contractor forgot about. That light switch sparks, the faucet sprays, your easy income eats up days. So don't just count on Zillow stats, check the attic for raccoon cats. Skip the glam, skip the cloud. You gotta live in the house before you rent it out. Now Fox Lane, that's the big one, folks. Parents' house full of memories and old clocks that tick but don't talk. I heard tales of folks who sell too fast. Contractor flips it, makes cash real. So I said, not me, I'm not that dense. I'll buy out sis and I'll climb that fence. Gonna fix it up, maybe rent it too, with love not glue and contractor voodoo. Don't want regrets, don't want to fight, just walls to stand and plumbing, that's right. You gotta live in the house before you rent it out. Pull back the curtains, give it a shout. Turn on the stove, flush every throne. Pray the smell ain't in the bone. Cause properties work and tenants can whine, but I like this gig more than tax deadline. So before September freaks me out, I'm gonna live in the house before I rent it out. Yes, I'm still a CPA, but don't let that fool you. I could swing a hammer and file a 941 all in the same week. Just maybe not the same day.